Okay, moving on to the next category, which is Investment Broker of the Year. And I would like to call up George Mula from Integrated Finance Group to help us hand out this award. Welcome, George. I see you get. George didn't win. We're just calling him up to hand out an award. I know you're all clapping for him. I know you. No, take the stairs. Take the stairs. Yeah. We didn't pay for the extra insurance, so we've got to make sure everyone stays healthy.
And we have 3 nominees on the list: Michal Ćwikliński, GBA Polska, Sean Doyle, CBRE, and Søren Rodyard Olsen, Cushman Wakefield.
Okay, so George, welcome to the stage. You're looking great as usual.
Well, you're looking fantastic, great, but you're like half the man you were after that boxing.
Yeah, well, you look pretty good after boxing as well. Yeah.
He's a really brave man going in 3 rounds.
Yeah, well, I was just following in your footsteps.
Anyway, this award, I mean, everyone makes a massive contribution to contributing value to real estate, and these guys, they're the glamour boys. They get all the praise when we sell. So
let's see who's getting all the praise tonight.
Is Michal Ćwikliński.
Michal Ćwikliński.
Congratulations. Didn't you win the Broker of the Year last year as well here?
2 years ago.
You looked 2 years ago. Okay.
It is a great honor, and this means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Thank you for all that were voting for me. Thank you.
Congratulations, thank you.
And please join us over here for a photo.